Video I'm going to be talking about how you can clear all cache from your computer, Windows 11 computer or Windows 10 computer. So let's get started and let's get into the video. First of all, you have to press Windows plus R to open Run dialog. After that, you are going to type in prefetch into the Run dialog, and then you have to press enter. And then you are going to Control A and delete all those files. After that, you have to empty your recycle bin. Then you have to press Windows plus R again, and then you are going to type in temp. And after that, you have to Control A, then you have to press Shift plus delete to permanently delete these items, these cache. If something is not deleting, you have to skip that by pressing this by checking this text, and then you have to skip, and then it will be done. After that, you have to press Windows plus R again, then you have to search percentage and percentage, and then you have to type in temp in between, and then you have to press OK again. Here you will see files again. You have to Control plus A, then you have to Shift delete to permanently delete these files. These are cache files and which are useless. You have to do this for all current items and then skip for the files that are not deleting. And then you have to Windows plus R again, then you have to type in clean mgr, then you have to hit enter, and this will open this cleanup dialog where you will select the drive, as drive is also already selected. See, it is the Windows drive, so then you have to click OK, and then you are going to see useless files on your computer. Then you have to select these files, and then you have to hit OK to delete all these files which are useless, and these are cache files and junk files which are not useless, which are not useful. Now it is going to clean up all those files and delete all those files. And then all of the files are removed. Thank you for watching. All of the junk files and cache files are removed. Thank you for watching this video, and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future tech related videos. And hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next tutorial.